do this activity, you will need your May hidden picture grid and your colors. We will be working on this for 31 days, so each day that you watch the video, make sure to have your grid and your colors out.
Hi, first grade. We're getting ready to look at the May calendar. We have some holidays this month, and I'll talk about those as we get closer to them. We don't have any birthdays in our class, but I do want to say happy birthday to Molly, who had a birthday at the end of April. And I want to say happy birthday to Leah, who had a birthday way back at the end of March. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. And today happens to be a holiday for some people, May Day. So some people like to decorate a maypole and dance around it. Some people have a tradition of collecting flowers and taking them and putting them by people's doors and ringing the doorbell and running away and letting it be a nice surprise. We actually have a nice surprise we are doing on May 1st. It is Principal Appreciation Day, so we are going to do some special things and surprise Mrs. Couture on Friday. If you're coming to packet pickup, you possibly have drawn some pictures to cheer Mrs. Couture up and make her have a happy day. If you are just seeing this and it's after May 1st, you are welcome to still draw Mrs. Couture a picture or do something nice for her, and we'll get it to her. First grade, we have a hidden picture grid in the month of May, and we have done these mystery puzzles before with this 1 to 120 number mat. And each day we are going to get a clue on our calendar piece that lets us know which piece to color. And we are going to be practicing the strategy of adding one more, subtracting one, adding 10 more, or subtracting 10 using this number mat, this grid. And so I included a tool to go with your mat if you want to use that, but you don't need to use it. You can just start to remember the pattern of up, down, right, or left as we learn it. So let's look at piece number 1. Oh, well, I should read the directions first. I'm going to read the directions. Tad is hopping after something, and if you saw on the calendar, Tad is this frog. Okay. We have a frog here, and his name is Tad. We're going to read about Tad. Tad is hopping after something. Help him catch it by solving the clues on the calendar grid markers. Color the box to show which number Tad hops to each day. Look at the color of the day's marker to know which color to use. Then down at the bottom it says, what's Tad trying to catch? So by the end of May, after we've colored a piece each day, we will see a picture here, and that will tell us the answer of what Tad was trying to catch. So let's look at May 1st. It says, here comes Tad, ready to explore. What did he see on 20 plus 4? So I'm going to take this tool and I'm going to start it on the number 20. And if you see over here on the right, if we want to count one by one, we're going to move this tool one space to the right. If I want to add on 4, I'm going to move it 4 spaces to the right. Well, you'll see there's no numbers, so I'm going to have to go to the next line. So if I start at 20, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I stop there. So our number for today is 24. If you looked on this piece, you saw the color was orange. So you need your orange color, and you'll color space number 24 orange. You can use a crayon, a colored pencil, or a marker.
So we are going to be adding more colors to this number grid as the month goes on, and we will be trying to solve the mystery of what's Tad trying to catch. So we'll look again tomorrow to see what the next color is.